Hey gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ohemaa. On my channel I do makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, skincare routines, occasional sprinkle of hair videos, and we're just not getting into vlogs and lifestyle content. So if anything I listed interests you, definitely go ahead and subscribe down below. Also click that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! I am having way too much fun. So Fenty Beauty has launched a new gloss bomb. Now we were lucky enough to have Fenty send over the PR package. I took everything out of the PR package. So I want to go ahead and show you guys what this collection is all about. And also there are some other goodies in there that I really want to go ahead and mention to you guys, because these are small businesses that you might maybe want to support if you're somebody who likes hot spicy foods like I do. So if you want to see what this new gloss bomb looks like on me, and if you want to see the other things that I have to show you that came in the PR package, then keep on watching. Now, if you haven't yet seen this makeup routine, it's going to be listed down below. So definitely go ahead and check it out after you check out this video. So Fenty Beauty Rihanna and Fenty Beauty has launched a new gloss bomb, and this new gloss bomb is called Gloss Bomb Heat. It's a universal lip luminizer plus plumper. Okay, on the packet it says that instant plumping and warming effect, shimmer free sheer red color, hot cherry. Ooh. Lush smooth texture and conditioning shea butter and vitamin E to help lock in moisture. On the other packet it says the OG gloss bomb you know and love just got a few degrees hotter, so we had to set the mood right for the most fire launch of the year. We're here to get your lips popping, set your taste buds aflame, and kick off summer with some major heat. Okay, and I'm so excited to show you guys the major heat they're talking about. They curated a collection of sauces from some of their favorite craft hot sauce brands that are keeping things nice and spicy while celebrating diverse cultural heritage of their creators. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the hot sauces, and then we'll swatch the lip gloss. Or maybe should we swatch it before we talk about the gloss? I don't. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch the gloss, and then we're gonna talk about the right, that way I can tell you guys whether it's conditioning and all that. Right. So from what I gather, this new gloss bomb is actually a new formula because it's a luminizer and plumper, and you guys know that plumping lip products generally have this tinglish effect that helps your lips get plumper. But with this one, it says that it comes with a little bit more of a warm feeling, so we'll see how it goes. One of the major plumping lip products that I have actually tried is the Too Faced lip injections, and those things tingle to the point where I want to take it off. So hopefully this doesn't give me that same kind of feeling, and I've only ever used that thing about like a few times, and that was it. Okay, because the tingliness was a bit too tingly. Okay, this is what Gloss Bomb Heat looks like, the classic Gloss Bomb packaging, except now it has heat written over it. So that tells you that this is the plumping one. This is the new formula, so be careful with it. If you're somebody who doesn't like hot spicy foods, we'll see how it gets. Okay, so this one is called Hot Cherry, and this is number 1. Hopefully they're gonna launch more. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it so we can see what it do. Okay. Ooh, I love when I take out the gloss and you see that line. That means it's gonna be a thick gloss, you know what I mean? Okay, so let's go ahead and try it. Oh, it's actually more sheer than I thought it was gonna be. It is way more sheer than I thought it was gonna be. It smells like spicy food. I'm hungry. I'm gonna leave it on to see if I feel that weird tingliness that generally comes with lip plumping products. Okay, and hopefully we can see whether or not it plumped my lips. Although I forgot to show you guys my lips before But hopefully we can get like a good before clip from me yapping so much. But this is what it looks like. It definitely smells spicy. I can't place the smell, but it smells spicy to me. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into the curated hot sauces because I'm hungry and I need some food. Okay, so first on the list is called Fly by Jin. They sent over her hot sauce, and that's the Fly by Jin spicy chili crisps. I want to taste this, but I haven't eaten anything. I feel like my tummy's gonna hurt if I eat this right now, especially because I haven't eaten anything. But I'm definitely gonna try this out, and I'll probably like let you guys know in my stories what I think about them. I'm Ghanaian and I love spicy food. Okay, and this is spanking hot. I am definitely excited to try these. Thank you, Fenty. How'd you know? How did you know? And this is the Tia Lupita brand. Okay, so I will find the links to these brands' websites and I will link it down below just in case you want to go ahead and try it out. Now, let's get back to this gloss. This gloss is definitely more sheer than I thought it was going to be, number one. Number two, it doesn't give me that weird, intense, tingly feeling that lip injection gives. And that's the only other lip plumping product that I have used that I can compare it to. I could definitely feel a little bit of something on the lips, but it's not intense to the point where I want to go and take it off. Okay, so there's that. The gloss is not sticky, definitely sheer, feels more like a lip oil slash gloss and not like a thick, sticky, icky, yucky gloss. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's not bad at all. My lips definitely feel like the aftermath of a really, really good spicy food. Spicy soup, spicy ramen, spicy noodles. It just feels like the aftermath of a really good spicy meal. It doesn't burn too intensely, so if you're somebody who doesn't like spicy foods, I think you can still tolerate the kind of sensation that it's given, because it's not heat and it's not tingly. It's just a sensation on your lips. It's definitely a very juicy, very glossy, very shiny lip gloss, and I really like how sheer it is compared to the other formulas. Okay, I'm definitely going to go ahead and link this down below so you can check it out. I'm so excited to see what else they're gonna come up with, what other sheer shades they're gonna come up with, because I can definitely see myself putting this in my bag and using it more than I use the other ones that I have in my bag, because I really like the shade of it. Very moisturizing. My lips does not feel chapped underneath. You know how sometimes you can put a gloss on and your lips still feel dry underneath the gloss? This doesn't feel that way. So that's it for me showing you guys the new Fenty Gloss Bomb Heat. This one is called Hot Cherry. Very, very, very mild feeling. No weird tingling. No horrible sensation of let me go take this off because my lips are just hurting. I feel like most of you have already picked this up because I am late with this, okay? But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I am definitely excited to try all three of these hot sauces as soon as I finish filming because I am starving, okay? Let me know in the comments if you've tried this Gloss Bomb Heat. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know how you like it. The earrings are from True Face by Grace. I will definitely be linking that down below, so go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna also be linking this makeup look down below. Probably not today that I'm uploading it, but it's definitely going to come, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Wishing you a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.